Drug patents are present almost everywhere in the world. They allow medicine investors to get a legal monopoly on whatever drug they produce, barring any other producers from selling the same drug. While the government hoped these laws would be an incentive for new drugs to be produced, in reality pharmaceuticals can set prices at whim without having to fear competition, and because these are medicines, we have no choice but to pay. An example of this extortion is pharmaceutical executive Martin Shkreli. In August 2015, he increased the price of a life-saving medicine, Daraprim, from $13 to $750. Due to patent laws, Daraprim users had nowhere else to buy the drug other than from Shkreli himself. If drug patents didn't exist, users would simply go to Shkreli's competitors when he increased the price of his medicine by 60-fold. This is just one of many examples of the suffering that the lower class families have to endure. The worst thing of all is that these patents can last anywhere from 20 to 40 years, and the problem just keeps getting bigger. It took 155 years for the US Patent Office to issue its first 5 million patents. It took just 27 years for it to issue the next 5 million. As if that wasn't enough, in the US, from 2006 to 2016, drug prices grew 70%. If this trend continues, medicine will cost 14 times more in 50 years than it does today. The citizens of 2017 need us. Nevertheless, it wasn't always like this. Before the World Trade Organization made it mandatory for countries to have drug patents, Indian pharmaceutical companies were free to compete. They produced generic versions of HIV medicine, and within a year of release, the price decreased 96% due to competitive incentives to lower their costs. In a similar fashion, according to a study made by Gerard Vanderleeuw in the US, drug prices dropped 66% on average in the first year after their patent expired. Our global proposition is simple. We want the WTO to cut off all the patent protection laws for medication and allow free competition in the supply end. By doing that, nations will finally be allowed to open the pharmaceutical market, saving millions of lives, eliminating drug monopolies, and drastically reducing medicine prices. I will advocate for your health. Vote Gabriel Hamon. Vote 51 for a freer and better world. I'm Gabriel Hamon, and I author this message.